Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I will be heading over to the best train view spot in Tokyo. So I'm at Nippori Station right now and I would like to say it's a beautiful day today. But it's actually not. It's drizzling. This is the first video I'm filming when it's raining. I'm actually surprised it didn't rain until 5 months after I started this channel. But here is the best train view spot in Tokyo apparently. The name of this place is called Shimogoindenbashi. Okay, so there are so many train lines that pass by here. So let's start off with the Yamanote line over here. It actually says all the trains that pass by here. So the Yamanote line, the Shinkansen, the E2, E1, the Keihin-Tohoku line. What is this? The Yokosuka line? It's a mixture of a JR regular train, bullet train, and the Keisei line. So it can be pretty chaotic. Ah, look at that, the E5 starting off strong. The E5 Hayabusa. It's going really slow. There won't be any connecting trains as of this video because it got suspended. The Hayabusa and Komachi got decoupled when it was moving. So it's suspended until March 14th. And I'm filming this video on March 12th. So you'll only see the Hayabusa train, which can be kind of lonely. I think it's E7. Oh, this is so cool. They'll never give me a break. Oh, and then there's a Skyliner on the right side. Holy crap. I made a video in the past saying that the Asukayama Park is the best train view spot in Tokyo. But I'm going to take that back. On the Asukayama line, you can only see it from the side, but this one you can see from the top. So it's actually really nice. Look at that, the Yamanote line and the Keihin-Tohoku lines like running at the same time. I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm kind of bummed that it's raining today because I wanted to see this spot when it's like sunny and you can see the bright blue sky. But you know, believe it or not, even in a country that's apparently living in the future, it still rains. The train from the Keisei line running really slow for some reason. Like really slow. What train line is this? Oh, it says Ueno. It's part of the Joban line. To get to this area, you just have to get out through the north entrance for the JR line and just cross this road over here. And there you go. The Hayabusa will be waiting for you. So I like Japanese trains since I was a kid, but it's not like I studied it or I knew much about it. I just like looking at it. So this YouTube channel is giving me an opportunity and motivation to do that. So I'm learning quite a lot. It's actually raining harder now, kind of a bummer. I'm sure this place will get crowded during the weekend. There's also a place where you can sit. But if I sit there right now, I'm just going to have a wet ass. And I wouldn't want to have a wet ass right now since I'm going to take the train back home. That's the limited express for the Joban line, the Hitachi or the Tokiwa. That train takes you to Ibaraki Prefecture, which is famous for being one of the least popular prefectures in Japan. And look at that, there's a limited express from the other side as well. And it's yellow. I don't think I've seen a yellow one before. I took that train 2 years ago to head over to Ibaraki Prefecture. I made a video where I tried to visit the popular spots of that prefecture. But the trip ended up being kind of a mess because it was raining and snowing at the same time. And I wasn't able to fully enjoy the nice scenic spots. But one day, I would like to go back there to film a video. Not going to like the famous tourist spot, but to ride their local trains. I heard that they have really cool trains over there. I wonder what my thumbnail photo for this would be. The perfect thumbnail photo will be all these trains running at once. But odds of that happening is very low. And even if that happens, the background is not the best. It's freaking cloudy as heck. I could stay here for hours. Or maybe not hours, for an hour. This is the furthest I can go, or else these things will be in the way. That was probably the best scene of this video because this train just kept coming back to back to back. And that scene probably lasts for like a couple of minutes, huh? Pretty grateful for that. Alright, it's raining harder now, and I think I filmed most of the trains that's supposed to pass by here. So this will probably be a good time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video too, so feel free to watch that as well. Alright, bye bye.